These masculine scented soaps that I created for the winter season came out incredible. And would you believe it's a result of me screwing up a specific design? Sometimes our mistakes become masterpieces. Stay tuned in the video and I'll show you everything I did and what I would do differently. Hello and good day, good evening, good night. I am Natasha. I was making a masculine scented winter soap for my GQs out there who need something for their skin too, you know what I'm saying? And I fumbled the ball with the design. So I was attempting a specific design and my batter got too thick and I was stubborn because I wanted to use a specific scent, which I know slightly accelerated, and I wasn't able to totally complete the design, but what I came up with came out incredibly nice. I think it came out awesome. I think the colors playing on each other are beautiful. And Tara, I know there's a pink elephant in the room, or more specifically a red and blue elephant. Yes, those are iPhones. Yes, I was using them to prop up my soap. No, it's not a good idea. No, you should not repeat this. And yes, I was scared that some of this soap was going to get on those camera lenses, and I was really desperate, to be honest with you. I knew that I was fighting against time. I had something to prop it up with, couldn't find it. Soap setting up, had to get the design. Thought I was prepared. You just not gonna do what I do here, okay? That part, the iPhone part, no, don't do that. Use a door stop or something. Don't use an iPhone to prop up your soap load. I want to briefly tell you about this hype feature on YouTube. So hype is a feature that allows viewers to show active support for eligible videos from smaller creators by giving them hype points. Now these hype points are supposed to help boost the channel, help to expose the channel to newer audiences, which I thought what the algorithm was supposed to do anyway. But if you get a chance, hype up the video. I think you only could do it within the first 7 days of it posting. I think it will help me out and I appreciate it. So the design I was attempting to do required me to pour different contrasting colors on either side of the soap loaf mold and then switching the angle so that I do the same on the other side. I was trying to alternate the light and dark blue, which I kind of messed up on that. You want your soap batter to be kind of fluid so that it has a very fluid design. It's a very beautiful design. I'll attempt it again, but it didn't really work out that way. But this design did come out really, really nice. Some of the mistakes I noticed in making this soap were, number one, I was using a fragrance oil that I know slightly accelerates. I'm sorry, but I like this fragrance. I mean, I really, really like this particular fragrance for my masculine scented soap. The number two reason, sometimes when you work with strong colors like the blues and the ultramarine, they will have a tendency to accelerate your batter quicker. It won't be as fluid. I noticed that when I use activated charcoal, ultramarine blue, almost all of the neon colored micas, titanium dioxide, there's certain colors that you use, you'll notice that your batter will get thick quicker than normal. A third reason why I feel like this design didn't work and it thickened my batters, because sometimes it's better to use a tall and skinny mold. So the tall and skinny mold is definitely skinnier, so when you make certain designs it's more exaggerated, and that might have helped this design. But you guys, when I cut this soap and you see the different variations in the soap, I'm loving the colors. I'm loving these colors. "24 hours later, and I do admit I'm a little nervous, but I'm loving how bright and vibrant these colors look in this soap. Are you guys ready for the soap cut? All right, now hold on to your blue jeans and your Givenchy cologne. So the tail end of this soap loaf, when I cut it, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't impressed. I'm keeping it real with you, I was not impressed. I noticed immediately that the batter got too thick because certain parts of it is a bit clumpy, like it's not fluid. You can see that it's thick. It is still a beautiful soap, and when I bevel it, it's gonna look so incredible. But when I get towards the middle, you'll start to see the fluid design that I was kind of aiming for, that I wish was throughout the soap loaf. Like, see right here, see how it looks like almost like a tornado. Some of it was happening with the white batter. The blue batter definitely set up quicker. This soap smells incredible. The scent that I use is a mixture of masculine scent. I will put it in the description if you're interested in the type of scent it is, the name of it. Every time I use this fragrance, everybody goes crazy over it. See here, you see how there's more essing of the white batter, but the blue batter is thick. That's what tends to happen with the ultramarines, like I was mentioning earlier, the neon micas, the titanium dioxide. It has a tendency to thicken the batter so that if you're trying to do fluid design or intricate design that have a lot of detail in it, you're not gonna really get that, or you have to work extremely quick because it'll be very difficult to get that fluid design that you're looking for. So enough about the soap. I'm really interested in what projects you guys are starting on this fall to winter. I know a lot of you are artisans, because sometimes you say things and I'm like, that's an artisan, that's a crafter, that's somebody who has one of the crazy intricate minds like me. What are you guys working on, and what are you noticing are your challenges for the fall and winter season? One of the challenges that I'm noticing that I'm having is acquiring my inventory at a decent rate. Like right now I'm paying a lot of money for stuff, a lot of money for ingredients. It's getting insane, but I am noticing there is an uptick in people wanting homemade, natural made products. I don't know if it's because, well, in the United States everything is going up. I don't know if people are just trying to make things at home. I don't know if people just want to trust homemade products. Because let's keep it real, folks. If you live in the United States, there's a growing distrust for the big brand, little billionaire, millionaire companies. So are you tufting rugs? Do you make jewelry? Do you paint? Do you make bowls? What do you do as a hobby or as a side hustle? And what challenges are you facing? Can I just tell you though, guys, that I have noticed there is an increased amount of people selling food on the side of the road in my neighborhood. I'm noticing that, and I'm noticing a lot of people have their own vans and they fixing like cars on the side, even car washes. Oh my goodness, there is like 4 guys in my neighborhood who have a van, and they will come to your house and wash your car. Go to work, you order their services, you come home, they already done cleaned and washed your car for you. For those of you that are still here, thank you very much. I appreciate you so much. We're gonna do some cleanup on aisle 7 and watch how the soap transform, you guys. I kid you not, every time I think I failed in something like a design, I clean it up and look at that. That looks so nice. It looks so nice. Time to do a lather test, you guys, and I do lather test for several reasons. Number one, I do it to see if the soap water changed color. I do it to see how my hands feel after I soap my hands, and of course I do it for the lather, you guys. I need to see bubbles. I'm sorry. I need to know that these bubbles are working and grabbing that mess and dirt and grime off and getting rid of it. And so far, this soap just started to lather almost immediately, and it smells so nice. Anyone who loves masculine scented soaps, check out the description box. I'm gonna leave the name of this daggone fragrance oil. You're gonna love it. It smells awesome. I have so so many soaps to make for the fall, winter, holiday season, you guys. So I'm going to be putting out some serious videos. Mistakes, successes, all of that, everything. What do you think about the colors in this soap? Do you think the colors really came together in this soap, you guys? YouTube told me to tell you to click on the video at the top because you're gonna love it. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please like my videos, watch them a ton of times, hype the videos also, like, share, and subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one. Ciao for now.